Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog all the way from Vorsteiner. That is right. I've been the laughingstock of the internet my entire life. Well, no more, because we have officially wide-bodied the world and we're back. Now, I realize today is going to be an emotional day for a lot of you guys. You love positive offset. You love the sunken wheel look. I like it too. But at the end of the day, Vorsteiner didn't like it, let's be honest. Nobody liked it whatsoever. The wheels have finally arrived for the Ferrari 458. Yo, these wheels look so sick from Vorsteiner. Oh my goodness, the 458 is gonna look so crazy. Obviously, we went with the gloss white, the three-piece VFN 315 from Vorsteiner. The car's gonna look so crazy. I just love the deep dishes of that. Like I said, we have officially wide-bodied the world. Positive offset nation. You kind of sort of done. These are huge. They are massive. We gotta get some massive tires. We're gonna be rocking 355s, the same tires that are on the Aventadors. Those look so sick. That's right, baby. I've been getting my lift on cold start up Jeep Gladiator. Come on, baby, come on. It actually worked! It actually worked! That was the first take. One take. There's just something about this Ferrari. I'm so excited to get the proper wheels mounted on it. The more and more I drive this car, the more I realize, you know what? Maybe I am a Ferrari guy. Maybe I do belong in the Ferrari club. Maybe I can fit in. Maybe I will be sued. We'll never know, or maybe we will. I always forget what a tank that Gladiator is. Like being in the Ferrari, which is so low to the ground, it really gives it perspective. Also, the sound of this car is so good. Like slowly but surely, the 458 wide body is becoming one of my favorite cars. Dude, it's so good. It's so good. Oh my gosh, I love this car. Like a natural aspirated V8 Ferrari. They don't make these anymore. These cars are going up in value so much. It's so good. It's so good. Jeez. I can only imagine the Purple Army, the reincarnation of the Purple Army. We're back, baby. We're back. Downshift. I just realized Luke spent about $15 on that. Hey, that's expensive. I can't afford that. That's so much money! How did he know that on cue? How did he know that? You know what? I'm feeling generous. One more acceleration, go! It's so good! Dude! I'm a Ferrari boy. I want more Ferraris. They just don't make them like they used to. Twin turbos are incredible. That sound is so crisp. Oh, incredible. Well, would you look at that? Look. That guy Nate, every opportunity he gets. Oh goodness, that's right. We're swapping the 458 for the Veyron. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Envision. It would appear ever so slightly that Luke is struggling very hard right now to actually park this Gladiator.
Oh, dude,
how many attempts is that?
I'm flexing on this little bad boy over here.
Oh, is that what you're doing?
He's only got 4 wheels.
It is actually pretty crazy to get a perspective of what a stock Gladiator looks like next to the 6x6. Like my truck used to look like that. How crazy is that? He's still kind of not really parked, but we'll count it. It's kind of crazy. Like there's a line right here, and Luke just said, you know what? We don't need lines. I'm in a 6x6.
We don't need line. I don't read good either, so read between the line, yeah.
We just got a little assembly line going on. This is amazing right now. The teamwork, the tenacity, the patience, and yet unbelievable.
You're just there filming, you know?
Well, I'm the cameraman. I don't know what happened to Luke.
You always film me when there's work to be done.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there he is. There he is. Don't worry. I got it. I can be a cameraman and the muscle all in one. You see? Oh. We're all right. We're good. We're good, Luke. And welcome back to the interval here at Envision. Couple baby revs. It's called baby revs. Oh, okay. How little does he know? That's nice. That's nice. All right. I had my fun. I'm the most annoying customer. Everywhere I go, I'm the most annoying, but I am who I am.
Yes, you are.
Oh. I'm the most annoying boss?
What? Yeah.
Well, here we go, boys. The moment of truth. Oh, dude, purple and white wheels is so sick. That is so good. Hopefully that fitment is perfection. Looks so sick. Now, yes, of course, though, the big moment of truth is the rear wheels. Everything of the car come together so well. Like, I wasn't sure about the yellow calipers, but I think Luke might have been right. I think you're right, dude. No, that's the right call, dude. My guy. See, there's no workplace violence here.
No, and if I did, I'll just go talk to HR first.
I'm HR. Now, of course, the all-important moment of truth. Let's go. What? That is crazy. That actually looks, yo, that is so sick. That's insane. Absolutely ridiculously cool. These white Vorsteiner wheels turned out so well. The fitment is absolute perfection. And on the sunny day, that Viola Parsife is just absolutely glistening. I knew the white wheels were the move. You guys doubted me. Luke doubted me.
I never doubted you.
Oh, you never doubted me. Oh,
I always,
there's never no doubt.
doubt you, but not on the white wheels.
Oh wow, just like that, casually.
Did you want to drive this?
No, I'll take the Bugatti. Massive shout out to the boys at Envision. The 458, we have officially wide-bodied the world. Just so you know, my insurance does not cover you right now. I do not authorize this. Wow, he's gonna die. And we're not gonna have a cameraman. Oh wait, I'm holding the camera, imagine that. This isn't your look, bro. You're not that guy. You're definitely not that guy. Bro, you look beautiful. That car is insane. Oh my goodness, the Liberty Walk 458. The Vorsteiner wheels look amazing. Car sounds incredible. I think we just need an interior. A yellow interior or a white interior? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? White. White, yep, I think so. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is why Luke gets paid the big bucks. Send it! So good. That's right, baby. That's right. Round two, go. Jeez, the purple looks so great. I have a W16, bro. I got 2 V8s. I got twice the power. That 458, though, I would argue, probably sounds better. The stance is like actual perfection right there. I love this front 3 quarters. Oh my God. Okay, wow. He's wasting gas. Bro, I gotta pay for that. I gotta pay for that. He's swept too. He is smug. I'm gonna take that out of his paycheck. I'm gonna take that out of your GT3. Go. Jeez. Now, obviously, this kind of sort of goes without saying, but I just realized we have a lot of cars with white wheels. Like the white wheel army. 1, 2, 3. The Veyron's got white wheels. The Gladiator has white wheels. Corvette does not. GTR's got white wheels as well. We like white wheels. Now the story on this Ferrari 458 is kind of sort of crazy. So I originally bought this car in July of 2020, and then in August of 2020 I bought the Liberty Walk wide body kit. But then fast forward to October of 2020, I actually sold the car. I never installed the kit. I ended up buying the Liberty Walk Aventador Roadster. Well, I bought the Aventador Roadster. I bought the Liberty Walk kit. We did the Liberty Walk build, and then fast forward about maybe like a year or so, in October of 2021, I rebought the 458. I still had the Liberty Walk kit. We installed it. We painted it Viola Parsife. And then fast forward to today, April 5th, 2021, the car is finally done. Now, of course, when I say the car is done, a car is never actually really done whatsoever. One thing I'm trying to figure out, do we get a Ferrari emblem right here, like a sticker? Do we place that? Because it kind of sort of looks like debadged in a sense. We're also missing the Ferrari horse right there. That's going to be installed momentarily. And then the interior, I'm trying to figure out. I think white would be incredible. Do we want to deal with white? Maybe. We could do yellow. What do you guys think? I don't know. We could also do all purple. All purple would be maybe too much or just enough?
Just enough.
Just enough. Okay, so maybe a purple interior, maybe yellow, maybe white, but still lots to do. But the car looks incredible. I also think we might want to lower the front end, maybe just a smidge. Now, just for a good measure, and I feel like it's almost an obligation, we got to pull out the pink car just to get it next to the purple 458. This white interior, just imagine, boys, a white interior just like this on the 458. That would be so sick. I think it might have to happen. Now, I knew this trio was going to look crazy together. I didn't realize they're going to look this good. It looks like wild berry Skittles right now. But as you see, the white interior on the Aventador Roadster, if the white interior was on the 458 too, they would be like an incredible pair right now. Oh, the sun's got to come out. They look so good. These paints look so incredible together. What do you guys think of the 458? I just love it. It turned out so incredible. This car is so much fun to drive. this, like, I think these two might be my favorite. I mean, I realize that has a W16, but like a naturally aspirated V12 and a naturally aspirated V8, both roadsters, and they look incredible. Now, about 2 years ago, I told you guys we were gonna wide body the road. A lot of you guys were doubting me. There's no doubt, no more. 458, Aventador Roadster, Nissan GTR, C8 Corvette. Who knows? Maybe there'll be a wide body GT3 in the future. What? Maybe not though. Only time will tell, and the clock has to run out. Let's see. House update, super update coming soon. It's gorgeous weather in Utah. Summer's on the horizon. We got trips planned in the future. Like, we have so much exciting stuff. The Countach. The Countach is almost done. Luke is so excited to drive that across the country.
You know, not even a little bit.
And on that bombshell, that beautiful bombshell, today's video is over. Check out this A-class service, my guy. First thing he does is walks out and starts detailing my car.
Being Luke's assistant is hard.
Is that what you are now? Wow. Wait, is Luke paying you?
You want to be my cameraman?